Hi, today I'm going to be making these earrings right here. I have a large stone on the bottom and a smaller one up on top. Very easy, quick. Alright, let's get started here. We're going to be using head pins. Over here, we're going to be using some eye pins. We're going to be using some 5mm jump rings and earring wire hooks. Again, we're making the bigger one on the bottom and the smaller one up on top. So let's grab a head pin, put that right inside there, and put it all the way through. And then I have this tool. It's a multi-use tool. It has clippers. It's got the round nose pliers, the wire cutters right there. And it has a little circle there for stripping, holding, and then we have the flathead, which is basically for holding your wire in place, maybe straightening them out. All right, let's get started. We're going to cut this wire, maybe about 5mm long, just enough for a circle, and it comes right off. Alrighty, we're going to get this wire and pull it towards you. And we're going to circle in away from us. And this is going to make a circle. There, like that. Then we're going to take an eye pin. It just has the little eyes right there. And we're going to put the smaller bead. And we're just going to put the small bead in this little eye pin. And we're again cut it about 5mm, just enough to make your circle. And again, bring it towards you. I find it easier if you bring it towards you and roll away from you. Roll it away and make your little circle. There we go. Alrighty. And now we're going to get a jump ring, and we're going to put it all together. Alright, let's get a jump ring. Open the jump ring. We're going to attach the earring wire hooks. And then we're going to add this smaller bead. Put that right into that circle there. And we're going to close it right back up. Make sure they're touching. Alright, and now we're going to get the other jump ring. And we're going to do the same. We're going to open it right up. And we're going to add the smaller bead. And we're going to add the larger bead and put them together. And close that right up. Alright, and we're just trying to make sure they just touch each other there. And there you go. You're all finished. Now you have these beautiful pair of earrings. There. See? Beautiful earrings. Alrighty. If you like, please like. And if you're new, subscribe. I'll be making a pair of earrings every week. If you have any requests, go ahead and put that in there. I'll be sending a link to where you can get all the supplies that you need for the earrings. I do have a kit that actually comes with the earrings, hooks, and the eye pins, and the jump rings, along with the head pins too. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.